Hi friends, now I am going to bring you a new way of online earning without any investment. Here, without any investment means without any money investment. Here we invest only our time. Those who have free time can invest their time in this and get money through an app called pivot, P-I-V-O-T. For this, what you have to do is, I will be sending one link to you. So you have to click on that link. That link will take you to Google Play Store. In Google Play Store, what we have to do is, we have to install that app. Because I have already installed, now I am taking that app for your explanation purpose. So this is that inverted triangle is there, no? This is the app we actually require. See, I have already installed this one, so I am getting open. So let me open this. What you have to do is, you have to open it first. Then after opening it, see at the right side bottom we have this one. At right side bottom we have one photo corner. This is the profile corner. If we click this, we will get the profile. Here, see, actually I am logged in now. Now I will log out and you can see how to get into this one. So log out. So again it will ask for login. What you have to log in is, you have to log in through your Gmail account. Here that is the only way through which we can log into this one. So here I am logging through this my Gmail account. So I have logged in. I have already 2310 points for today. Okay, this is the app actually we required. So now I assume that you have downloaded the app and you have installed the app and you have logged into that app through your Gmail. Then what we have to do here is, we have to, this app will give you Bitcoin, that is money in the form of dollars, in three ways. First way is, see, these are the first way. First way, what you have to do is, you have to click this one, which is this inverted triangle at the left hand side. If you click on that one, you will get home, popular, news, all. Here we have to click on this news. See, here we are having this type of read post. News read posts you will get every day 20. See, today my quota of this 20 I have completed. See, each you have to click on this one. See, suppose read and share for power, like that. So if you click that one, you will get that post will get opened and you will be asked this left side, no, 100 plus 100 power, like that it is there, no. This plus 100 power is instead of this one, I have already used this one. So if you won't use this one, here say read for power, like that you will get one tab. If you click the tab, you will get this plus 100 power. Congratulations, you got plus 100 power. So in this is the way of getting points in the form of power points. There is a calculation for this power points. I will tell you later. So time being, first how to get money out of three ways. One way I have told. This is reading the posts. Each post will give you 100 points. and 20 posts will give you 2000 points a day. Every day you will get only 20 and not more than that. So this is one way. The second way of getting points here is, if you go here, daily task for power. See, here we have 3 methods. First one is you will invite people. So if you invite, for inviting people you have to click here. See, 10,000 power plus 10% of your friend's power. By doing this you will get 10,000 power points, and also whatever your friend earns will get 10% out of that. For this, what you have to do is you have to click what I have done like this, and then invite my friend is there now. Here, invite my friends. If you click it here, this will give you one referral link, and through any of the programs, WhatsApp, see, WhatsApp, then messaging, anything you can select, and for time being, for to explaining to you, I will click on WhatsApp. See, here so many people are there. You, whatever you, to whomsoever you want to send this link, you can click here, and if I say send, it will go to this. Already I have done this one, so just I will cancel this one. Okay, like this, if you invite a person, that person will get a link from you. If he clicks that link and installs this Pivot app through this link, through your link, then you will get 10,000 points. And whatever he earns every day, you will get a 10% out of that one. This 10,000 points is the second way of income, and the 10% of your friend's income is the third way of income. These are the 3 main ways through which you will get power points from this pivot. And the calculation I will tell you, if you get 30,000 power points, that will be equal to $1. 30,000 power points is equal to $1. So if you invite one person and get him installed, you will get 10,000 points. So if you successfully get registered 3 of your friends, you will get $3 a day. $3. So 3 sign-ups or 3 registrations will give you $1. Like that, this pivot is having a capacity of $3 to $200 people can earn. Now there are people online who are earning even more than $200. That I am not telling you. So this is the way you will get Bitcoin, money in the form of Bitcoin, and this goes on without any investment. So after hearing all my explanations, you may get a number of doubts. I accept that. I also got the same. And instead of going research how many days this will stand, whether this will be there or not, for such doubts, there will be a lot of doubts, but this is so far proving genuine app which is giving bitcoins and dollars to the people who have already registered. So I request you may go in research and take time to register, and you may immediately register and go ahead with this small activities of which will not take more than half an hour a day. If you do that, you will get it. There is a chance of getting it. Okay friends, this is the main outline of this pivot app. And in this app there is one more fourth way of earning, that is posting your own postings like this. See, for example, I will tell you, if you click on this inverted triangle, you will get a pencil mark on the top. See, here we are seeing that pencil mark. I will click this pencil mark. See, I got post here and link here. So I will click on the post. Here you can write something about this pivot. Okay. For example, I will write something. Pivot is a way where a common man is having the chance of getting rich through Bitcoin bonus. Bitcoin bonus. Something you can write in your own way, whatever you want, but that should relate somewhere to the cryptocurrency. Okay. Now you can select any of these groups. For example, I am choosing this BTC. Okay, I am making this post. So I have posted this. Like this, you can make posts every half an hour. But you should not make it a spam. Be careful. This site is very, very strictly being monitored for fraudulent operations. If in any direction anybody tries to do some fraudulent activity, their ID will be blocked forever and ever. So please be genuine at this site. See, I have done this now. Just I will update. Some people who are in this group, so they will see this. They can vote. See, they can vote, they can comment, and they can share. See, like this, so many people will be doing. See here, this person has got 310 points and got 5 votes, and as a result he got 310 points. Let us verify. Just now we have put here, see, somebody has made some comment or something like that. So I got 110 points within a span of some 5-10 seconds. So like this, this is one of the ways through which some people are earning even in lakhs this power points. So this continuously you will be gaining points here. Even if you are not doing anything, you will be getting points. Some people will see this and they will make their comments, and their comments will give us that points. Okay, that's all friends. Please go ahead. I wish you all good luck.